Feeling drained by the constant low battery anxiety?
Yes.
Well, worry no more.
Okay.
Welcome back, everyone, to our channel, where today we unveil the ultimate secret to unleashing the full potential of your iPhone's battery life.
Amazing.
Get ready to break free from the shackles of the charging cable and wave goodbye to that dreaded battery red zone.
That feeling.
Brace yourselves, because we're about to embark on a journey that will revolutionize the way you power your device. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's dive straight in. 10. Use display settings. Did you know that your display is one of the major things that can eat up all of your iPhone's precious power?
You don't say.
You need to keep that screen brightness in check. Dimming your screen saves power and helps your eyes. So, let's get to the good stuff, optimizing your settings. Head to the settings, click on display and brightness, and adjust it to a lower level. And here is a simple thing that will save you even more power. Make sure your iPhone sleeps when not in use. Just go to settings and set a shorter auto-lock time. This tiny change makes a huge difference in reducing your screen time, and thus saves you so much power.
Great.
And here's yet another culprit that drains your battery. 9. Reduce frequent notifications. Continual notifications cause the screen to light up every now and then, using up your battery power. So it's advisable to manage your notification preferences in the Settings app. Here's how. Open Settings and find Notifications, then browse through each app and use the toggle to decide which apps can send notifications. In addition, Apple provides a convenient feature enabling users to alter notification preferences directly from the lock screen.
Really?
Simply press and hold a notification, then tap the three dots, to access options such as Deliver Quietly or Turn Off. Deliver Quietly allows notifications to show in the notification center but not on the lock screen, while Turn Off completely disables notifications for that app. Now come closer, let me tell you about this one. 8. Maintain the proper temperature for your phone. There's a sweet spot in terms of ambient temperature for your iPhone battery. Apple says the ideal temperature for your iPhone should be between 62 degrees and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, 16 degrees to 22 degrees Celsius. Therefore, if you venture into the blazing realm beyond 95 degrees Fahrenheit, which is around 35 degrees Celsius, you are venturing into dangerous territory for your battery's health.
Sad.
However, the icy grip of the cold is another adversary, as temperatures under the freezing threshold of 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius, may cast a chilling spell that eventually diminishes the lifespan of your battery. So, if you notice your phone is getting particularly hot while it's charging, for example, you might want to take off its case to facilitate cooling. And next time when you go out for a winter walk, you can put your phone in your coat pocket most of the time to protect it from the extreme cold. And what about the situations when your battery level is dwindling but you need a bit more usage time before you can recharge it? 7. Low power mode is your savior. It's like putting your phone on a diet, certain activities and functions are restricted, so it can save energy and get you through the day. While low power mode significantly impacts your overall user experience and reduces your phone's performance by restricting background activities and functionality, it'll be handy when you really need to keep your phone on in certain situations. To enable low power mode, navigate to Settings, locate Battery and turn on low power mode. Once enabled, you can rest assured that low power mode will help you stretch out your remaining battery life. To make life even easier, adding a shortcut to low power mode in the control center is an excellent idea. Simply navigate to Settings, Control Center, Customize Controls, and tap the plus symbol next to low power mode if it's not added already. Engaging low power mode brings a halt to background app refreshes for all apps. But for those of you seeking more control over your device's performance, here's something for you. 6. Manage app updates in the background. You can turn off individual apps from refreshing in the background. This will disable the app from accessing background data and receiving notifications. As a result, the app won't be able to use up your device's battery or data plan. Disabling background app refresh also means that apps that are not open won't update until you reopen them.
I think that's pretty cool.
So, you can give it a try and see how it goes. Go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh, and then tap the toggle next to each app you want to turn off. For instance, if you want to turn off background app refresh for Facebook, tap the toggle next to Facebook so that it turns from green to white. Another factor that stealthily operates in the background and depletes your battery is the use of your device's location services. 5. Manage location services. Tweaking the settings of your location services is an effective strategy to lengthen your battery's lifespan and can also curtail the usage of mobile data. Refining the settings can reduce the amount of time and energy the device spends searching for a network or GPS signal, resulting in a longer battery life. This is especially true if you have your location services set to always, as this will always be running in the background and could be draining your battery and data without you even knowing it. So the next time you find yourself needing to prolong your battery life, consider adjusting your location services. Go to Settings, Privacy, Location Services and modify the permissions for your applications. For example, if you're only using a certain application occasionally, you could set the permission to only while using the app, so that the app isn't using your location when it's not in use. And here's assistance to manually manage the push and fetch settings for your email and internet accounts. 4. Manage your push and fetch. Push emails are super convenient, but a super battery drain. You may want to keep your primary accounts on push so that you receive new emails immediately, while averting rapid battery depletion by modifying the schedule of your secondary accounts to less frequent intervals, like hourly or daily. Whenever you need to give this a try, go to Settings, Mail, Accounts, Fetch New Data. You can then select the account you'd like to change and select the frequency at which it should fetch new data. For example, you can set it to fetch new data every hour, which will help save battery but still keep you up to date with new emails. Better still, you can switch them to manual fetching. But wait, there's more. And we will continue to provide you with a wealth of tips and updates like this, so make sure you subscribe to our channel to stay informed.
I won't miss.
3. Identify apps that are major power drainers. Isn't it great that you can actually see which apps are guzzling up all your power? Your iPhone efficiently offers you accurate information about the apps that are using the majority of your battery life. This information is available in the device's settings section under battery and can provide you with a breakdown of which apps are responsible for the most battery drain. Therefore, it's beneficial to review that data so that your strategies to prolong your battery life can be more customized to your specific usage. Simply head to Settings, navigate to the Battery Usage section, and make those battery-hungry apps behave. By default, the section titled Last 24 Hours displays the apps that have been consuming the most battery power, but tapping on the Last 10 Days option on the right side will give you a more comprehensive overview of which apps and services have been siphoning your battery over a longer time frame. While these tips can help maximize your iPhone's battery life on a day-to-day basis, adapting your charging habits can prolong the overall lifespan of the battery. 2. Battery charging optimization. Regularly fully discharging or charging lithium-ion batteries can put stress on the battery and shorten its life. The battery may age more quickly than it otherwise would due to the added strain of charging or discharging to 100% or 0%. So, you may lessen the strain on your iPhone battery by using techniques like avoiding full drain or full charges. Aim to maintain your battery level between 20% and 80% rather than charging it to 100% and then only recharging it when it is completely dead. Additionally, it can be advantageous to use optimal charging features that monitor your patterns and regulate the charging pace. This can be activated in the settings on iPhones. Turn on optimized battery charging by going to Settings, Battery, Battery Health and Charging and turn on optimized battery charging. And number 1 is that. 1. Keep your iPhone up to date. Apple sneaks in some sweet battery optimization in their updates, you know. Which among these tips haven't you utilized much but are planning to try out soon? Tell us in the comments section. Get ready for the ultimate tech showdown of 2023. Have you ever wondered what groundbreaking features the future holds for smartphones? Brace yourself as we delve into the highly anticipated clash between the Pixel 8 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro. In our next video, we'll dissect every aspect and reveal which powerhouse device emerges as the true champion.